Hello and welcome to the Tarkus Zone. Thank you for joining me. Today we're going to be talking about my SMARTRAVEL bike and the fact that I just replaced the controller with a new controller. If you've been following my channel, the old controller burnt out within a year. So I got about a year into the bike, the controller burnt out, SMARTRAVEL sent me a new controller. Unfortunately, the controller they sent me is not the controller for this bike. The max speed now on this bike is only 28 miles an hour, and the length of the cables did not match the other controller. Actually, right now, the controller is supposed to be sitting flat in this box. It's not. It's sitting at an angle like this, only because the main cable was 2 inches too short to reach this power cable. So they sent me, not only was it a used, refurbished controller, as I had stated in the other video, it is not the same controller for this bike, because this bike hummed at 34 miles an hour before with the old controller. Never had a problem on a flat surface getting it up to 34 miles an hour. It had to actually try hard to hit the 28 mile an hour mark currently. So I've got no brake, the brakes aren't rubbing, the tire's not rubbing on anything, everything's been smooth. You know, what it is I'm afraid that SMARTRAVEL just sent me a controller that fits the bike, but it's not the same controller. I have the exact, when I benchmark it, right, when I'm doing the exact same circuit that I normally do around the island. So I know how fast I'm able to go on the old controller. I know at certain locations, flat locations, I would hum at 34 miles an hour. This bike could not get past itself at 28 miles an hour. It was everything it could do to get to 28 miles an hour with this new controller. So it looks like SMARTRAVEL was nice enough to send me a free controller because the other one burnt out within a year. It just, they happened to not send me the same controller because this bike is slower now. All right, well, that's my update with after replacing the controller. Thank you for joining me. And this has been the Tarkus Zone.